So here we are seeing our land for the very first time in person. And this is just the front part of the land. You may be hearing noise right now because we are in town due to us not having any signal down on the flat. So all this driving point is the frontage of our land. Where you see Asa now is the driveway right there. He's showing me where the land ends, up by the tire, and that's it. It's a lot of frontage, guys, and this is 10 acres. Well, it's 10.009 acres of land. So, with a creek in the back. Here's Asa now trying to cut down this branch so our camper could just go on the land without scraping the top off. There's a culvert with a little bit of water at the front, and I'm showing you the hill because when they had made the road, they had dumped some stuff, some with dirt right there. So there was a little hill that we needed to dig down for the camper to go over, which we had. So yeah, Asa is cutting down a tree now, and here you're gonna see Nyla and baby Fallon chilling like a villain on the ground because he doesn't want to stay on the blanket, eating leaves because that's the way to be. But yeah, here I am carrying logs because you know that's what I do all the time. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, wow, good job, Nyla. Good job. Good job, Nyla. So here I'm showing you all the logs that has been dragged from cutting down. Asa's cutting and I'm hauling logs away, trees away. So we have spread them out over a few points. This is just the land where a camper is going to be for the time being off the road. Good plan.
You playing with your brother?
Baby funny. Baby don't cry, baby laugh.
Yes. Baby loves you.
Careful with his eyes. Baby cry now. Asa is about to start cutting, so be tuned. The road is just right there. And the camper is going to be parked like right there. come over, right? You come over and you stay tonight. Did you love me for the hell of it? All I say is you got it. Just words that mean nothing. So this is all that we've cleared so far. It says cutting and I'm hauling. So haul some stuff over there. You can see hauled all of here. All of this here. Over here also. Careful that hole. But all of this. And these that you see right here. Hauled all of that. All of this. Some in the far corner up there. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom up there. And out here too. Some up there. Here. He's gonna cut these down. And maybe cut that one. But yeah.
Ain't cutting anything extra.
Okay, so just take these down to the stump. When it's done, it's gonna look like. Go and find the ones that you've done before. They're so well cut down low. I feel like there was one here somewhere. Maybe like that. Down trees. The hole right here. Right here. Put it right there. Good job. You came a long way. Good job. Good job. You're gonna put some more?
All the other dogs up there, yeah. Telling the puppies, run.
No, that's enough. Nope.
That's a driveway.
Trimming branches. Looking good. Yeah, it's here. Nyla, first time using her slide on the land. Woo! Woo! Let's send Valen.